So here's an update on that smart lock that I bought from TEMU. So the brand is showing as arpha, and here that was the mechanical key that came with it. So basically, once you've installed it, so I have installed it, and this is how it works. So it's very easy to install. I had it within an hour. It would be faster for others, but it took me about an hour. So that is the lock itself, and then this is the outside. So there's the mechanical key slot there, so basically you can, just in case the battery dies, then make sure you have that mechanical key with you. And this is just a quick view of how it operates when you lock or unlock it. The password setup is going to be done as soon as you are done installing it. So I'm gonna put a video on how to change the lock, like the code. So you'd have to have a 6-digit code to lock or unlock it. There are other ways to open it. You can do the fingerprint, and that one I was doing was a pin password. You can do app control, so we'll have to download the app, and then this one is a mechanical key, of course. So you are still able to open it as long as you don't lose your keys if the battery dies or if your app does not work, and if for some reason the fingerprint does not work. So I bought this for like $35 at TEMU. So the battery does not come with it, so make sure you have the three AAA battery, like 4 of them. But the latch, it latches really good, and it's as long as you install it right, it works. So that's the picture that I'm showing was from the TEMU website. Right now it's already sold out. But here, if you lost your manual, it did came with a manual. But if you lost your manual, make sure you go to your purchase, your orders, and there is a link to download the manual. So later on, if something happens to your app, if you need to review, if you need to do a repair, you have it. So, and then on the top, that's how you download the manual.